Simula sa sapatos na bumaon hanggang sa layup tulad nito. Ito ang mga 1 in a trillion moments in NBA history. Simulan natin ng mapalibutan ng mga sumasayaw na cheerleader ang mga players ng Cleveland. Pero parang iba ang pumalibot sa arena ng Indiana Pacers.
Is that a bet? Guys, everybody's a little leery.
Yeah, everybody is. You can see it right there flying across the floor.
At sa height na 6'2", nakipag-jump ball si Gary Payton sa 7'1" na si Jonas Valanciunas. At ganito ang nangyari.
Throws it high enough. Payton has great vertical. Look at Payton trying to move his head. And Payton won it. GP2, young glove. He was excited about that one too.
Napabilib mo ko dun ah. Pero ginulat naman ako ng dunk na ito ni Jeff Green.
Because that's going to be important.
Doc saying that went in and hit one of the big players on the head.
Madalang talagang mangyari yan. Kasing dalang ng tirang ito mula kay Corey Brewer.
Collison waiting to check in for Oklahoma City. Brewer hits the deck.
Medyo sinuwerte ka dun ah. Hindi gaya sa commentator na ito dahil inakala niyang pumasok ang game winner shot sana ni Trevor Ariza.
Kicks it out. Ariza, baseline, dagger! They're saying it did not go. Well, from our angle, it looked like it dropped straight through.
To be honest, akala ko din talaga pumasok. At akala ko din na basketball player lang itong si Russell Westbrook. Pero meron pa pala itong ibang trabaho.
And as well says, he's doing a little bit of house cleaning.
You know what? If you want the job done right,
You gotta love that guy, huh?
At alam nyo ba na hindi lang double step back ang pinauso ni James Harden? Dahil pati sa free throw ay meron itong signature move.
putting pressure on it at all, that tells you a lot. See if he does it.
At dahil 1 in a trillion moment ang usapan, tiyak madalang mo lang talagang makita ang mga tira tulad nito.
Meeks on the drive, looking to draw contact, and counted and one.
At kung may 1 in a trillion shot tayo, syempre, meron ding 1 in a trillion pass.
West has got 17 minutes on the bench. Wow. What in the heck?
Isama mo na rin ang layup na ito ni Tony Allen.
The follow. What's it gonna do? What's it gonna do? It's gonna stick.
Idagdag na rin natin ang ginawang ito ni Dwayne Wade. Pero bago ang lahat, ang videong ito ay hatid sa atin ng 1xBet, ang #1 legit betting site na pwede kang tumaya at manalo kahit nasa bahay ka lang. Mag-register lang gamit ang iyong number at gamitin ang ating promo code at maaari ka nang makakuha ng up to 7,000 bonus sa una mong deposit. Dito ay pwede kang tumaya sa mga paborito mong NBA games at sa iba pang sports. Pwede ka na rin tumaya sa ibang laro tulad ng slot at card games. Pinadali na din ang pag-cash in at cash out through GCash. Kaya ano pang hinihintay mo? I-click mo na ang link sa comment section to register.
The play in overtime, 89-85 Heat. Wade makes his move, the scoop. It just sits there. Dwayne Wade.
Pero alam nyo, medyo marami namang moment na ganyan. Hindi ko na lang alam sa alley-oop na ito.
8 rebounds, 4.7 assists per game. That doesn't happen.
Talagang napakadalang yan. Kasing dalang ng moment na ito ni Vince Carter.
Last shot here.
Vince.
Pero what if hindi ka naman magaling na shooter? Pero matinik ka na passer. Teka lang, mali yata ako ng videong nakuha. Di bale, at least hindi siya pumasok sa laro nang walang jersey.
To be fair, he had been injured. He hadn't played in 3 months, and there was it. When he took on his warm-up, it looked like it came off with...
Inaantok pa yata si kuya. Pero parang wala pang tulog. Itong si DeMar DeRozan. Ipasa ba naman ang bola sa bench ng kalaban?
in the period. As DeRozan throws it away, and this one...
Bakit naman kasi kakulay ng damit nila yung suot mo? At ibalik naman natin sa 2006 nang gawin ni David Lee ang isang impossible moment with less than 1 second left.
As they throw it at the basket.
Sabi nga nila, Hanggat hindi pa ubos ang oras, may pag-asa pa. Pero bakit parang pinaasa naman ni Dikembe Mutombo, ang mascot ng Nuggets? Pinaasa ka na, binato ka pa ng bola, saklap nun.